In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change initials in Docusign. Whether you're updating your initials for professional reasons or simply because of a personal preference, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring clarity and ease in your transition. Let's start the process by heading over to Docusign. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. You might already have it bookmarked, but if not, just type in the URL apps.docusign.com. Once you've loaded the main page, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the Sign In option prominently displayed. Just enter your credentials as needed. Once you're on your home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice an icon, often represented by your image or initials. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Profile. This area is essentially the control center for personalizing your Docusign experience. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a few more options pop up here. Go ahead and click on Signatures. This section contains all your existing signatures and initials that you've used across Docusign. Within the Signatures section, you should see an option to Add Signature. Click this button to create a new signature, and this will also allow you to make any necessary updates to your existing initials. Now, here's the crucial part. Find the text box under the label Initials. Click on this box to modify your initials. You may want to carefully choose how you want your new initials to look, perhaps reflecting a more current version of your name or a preferred style. Go ahead and type in your new initials. Once you're satisfied with your new initials, double-check them for accuracy. This small detail is important since these initials will land on all your respective documents, ensuring both professionalism and a sense of personal branding. Finally, when you're ready and confident with the changes you've made, locate and click on the Create button. By doing this, you save your new initials, and they become part of your updated signature profile. You can now continue using Docusign with your newly customized initials, affirming both authenticity and identity on your documents. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your initials in Docusign. By following these straightforward steps, you've ensured that your digital identity matches your current personal or professional context. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide